Sonny of the Gooder Than the Mug Show, and today I have another delicious meal for you. How about some chicken meatballs? This one is quick and easy. You're gonna love it. So let's get busy. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is make this binding agent. We're gonna add half a cup of Italian bread crumbs, followed by 2 whole eggs, shredded garlic, some fresh thyme, fresh oregano, fresh parsley, fresh basil, some fresh red pepper flakes. And then we're gonna hit it with some shredded Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano cheese. Now look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Yeah, mix it up real good so you get it nice and combined. Now we're gonna add this mixture to some ground chicken. Okay. And then we're gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper just to bring out those flavors. Then we're just gonna dive in that junk. Work everything around and get it thoroughly blended. Now we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil and work that into the mixture. This just gets your meatballs nice and juicy. Now it's time to form our meatballs. Man, I use a tablespoon. This just helps me get all of my meatballs to about the same size. So we're just going to get a scoop of it, a heaping tablespoon, put it right there in the palm of your hand, pat it, roll it till you get the nice round consistency. And add that bad boy to a greased baking sheet, or you can do like I did, lay you out a piece of parchment paper and then just layer your meatballs on that thing, man. And then we're going to pop it in the preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 25-30 minutes. 30 minutes later. And when they fresh out, you gotta give one of them a taste. So I'm gonna grab me a bite. Yeah, that's good in the mug. But we're not finished yet. I got some homemade marinara sauce. If you want that recipe, you can get it from the chicken mozzarella sticks episode on the YouTube channel. But go ahead and add just some meatballs in there, give them a nice turn. Then we're gonna take them out and set them to the side and serve that thing up hot. What you got going on here?
I'm putting barbecue sauce on it.
What kind of barbecue sauce is that?
It's the Gooder Than a Mug, sweet and smoky barbecue sauce.
You out?
No, not really.
Oh man, it looks so good.
For the taste on. That's Gooder Than a Mug.
Oh yeah.